Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken foot with some white rice and some salad on the side. And I want to say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, or to be the mother, you know what I'm saying? To everybody. That's a mother or a mother to be.
That's right. You know
what I'm saying?
We hope you enjoyed your Mother's Day.
Exactly.
Because when you see this, Mother's Day would have already passed. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope your husband spoiled you and...
Pamper you.
Oh, I had brought you... Oh, I didn't bring you. I did. Just pamper you, like Richie said, and just, you know, show you some loving.
So, as we first lady said, you know what we got? She told you already.
Curry chicken foot.
Yeah, that's all the crunchy, man. I love it when you crunchy, watch out.
Okay. That's the feet of the chicken.
That's the feet of the chicken, see?
Yes, that's how it looks.
I have a look, yeah. Yeah, I know. What's wrong? Y'all never seen it up that close? Well, y'all seen it in person now. Okay. Yes. It's the time to subscribe now.
Yes,
yes,
please
you're
do.
right there. Subscribe right now. You're right there already.
You guys are moving
Subscribe, yes.
You're awesome.
I appreciate that. Subscribe right now before we start the video. We don't want to start the video, so subscribe, family.
You guys are amazing.
Appreciate y'all.
We're on the road to 5K, y'all. On the road to 5K.
Look at the curry rich. Wow.
You can see it still?
You see? You see us?
You know, like this lady...
Yeah, you can't even see my salad, but it's all good. You know I got my salad over here.
They can see it. They're probably like, why don't she wear her glasses?
Yo, yeah, you might put on your take a bite spot now. Your food will some more now.
What are you talking about, Tom?
Yeah, your food, me can't even eat food, man. Damn, I was feeling for this, man. I was fitting for this. That's what I said. But another thing said.
When you make this, and it's so tender,
Yeah.
it's like butter.
Like butter. I don't keep my mouth shut. I keep my mouth shut, yeah. Wow. You alright? Oh, I think you bite your tongue, my youth.
I don't bite tongue. What would you say the texture of chicken foot is? What does it remind you of?
Your butt. Soft.
What? What the fuck you talking about?
No, it is soft though. What chicken foot? Like what kind of meat?
The texture, what does it remind you of? If we had to describe it to them. Because
Like
a lot of people have not had chicken foot.
like
So that's what it that's what it has that texture of like cold foot. Like that gamey, not a gamey, that texture right there. But I can't figure out something else because not everybody eat cold foot either, Tom. So what else can somebody eat that will remind them of that? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Because it's not much stuff. I can't say
pork. Yeah, pork head.
Pork.
Yeah, I don't eat pork.
Like,
I'm just saying.
what about like pork skin? Yes,
you could say
that's true.
I don't know pork skin.
Pork skin because it has that texture to it. That's true. What you guys do for Mother's Day? That's good. I stayed home. Richie was at work. My son, the kids, they made me breakfast. It was good. Damn. Wow. good, Tom?
Texture is good.
It's a good texture. Oh, I'm sorry. The salad has lettuce, tomato, cucumber, peppers, carrots, and that's it. A simple salad, but very good. I had everything in the kitchen.
You didn't give me a lot of rice.
Hmm?
You didn't give me a lot of rice.
Really?
Yeah.
I filled the bowl up to the brim.
It's done too fast, man. Oh.
Somebody
Don't do
wanted
that.
it.
Somebody slap the spoon with them on. The curry, it just soaked inside here. No cap. Busting.
It is really good.
Good meal. I appreciate this meal.
You're welcome.
Wow.
You don't have to even cut it. You don't have to use a fork, knife and fork to cut it. You don't do any of that. You just put it in your mouth and it just falls off into your mouth. Not true, Tom?
And so much, the pepper is just the right amount.
As far as we're concerned, when you make curry, it has to have some kind of pepper. No pepper, no bueno. We don't like it. See?
No, the fries, man.
I'm just barely tapping it.
We're done now.
I'm barely moving my mouth and it's just falling off.
Yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. That's it. If some people don't know, understand how to cook chicken foot, but that's how it is.
Yep. When you make chicken foot, it has to fall apart. Gravy. Yeah, a lot of bones over there.
A lot of bone I'm not eating yet. Good. Pepper just right. Don't knock until you try it.
For real.
I know a lot of you are saying chicken foot. Come on, man. Yeah. After you eat coffee, you know, right? We're gonna eat chicken foot.
If you guys are new to the channel, we eat cold foot, chicken foot. We just love foot.
Beer foot.
We have foot. But we have chicken foot in like soup. You can curry it, brown stew it. I wonder if you can fry it, Tom.
Yeah, boil it. You have to make it soft first.
Boil it first.
Right.
And then fry it.
That would be nice.
That would be. I just love the chicken foot curry.
Plus,
I don't care if we eat a lot of curry on the channel. We love curry.
love curry mayo.
Remember, we're gonna cook, but we love to eat. Because we want to enjoy it so that you guys can enjoy us enjoying it. That makes sense, right? Yeah.
We ain't faking no cap, because we don't buy food and we don't like it. That's waste of money. That's why we cook our food. You see? I look a bit of rice you give me, because I make it on the same time. I tell you.
There's a lot of rice I give you.
A little bit. Because I make it done the same time. That means you give me a little bit of rice.
No, honey. You usually
What?
eat all your rice and then leave the meat for last. That's what he does.
I'm saying it wasn't a lot of rice.
You want more rice?
With mine. I'm having chicken with them. But if you enjoy your food, man.
Those days of going out for Mother's Day, been there, done that. It's not worth it. Unless you have the hookup, it's gonna be chaotic. And then I feel like they rush the food. I'm paying good money for you to rush my food? No, sir.
Yeah. You know your salad.
Wow.
Can I do my salad already?
You tore your salad up.
I didn't give me rice. My substitute my.
I could give it that.
You didn't. I'm sorry. I'm good. I'm salad full milk. Yes.
We was talking about it all weekend.
Yes, we was.
That live was a good live.
Yes, we was. A beautiful live.
And we had a great time. An hour went by so fast.
Quick. Yep.
And we used to do live every Friday.
Well, we started it back.
Yeah.
But now we just eating something with it.
Yeah. We gotta be like, on Friday, we gotta be like, Fast Food Fridays, FFF in the building. So, you know, they like hearing that, right?
Fast Food Friday morning. Yeah. Well, go on now. Look at that. Yes. Remember, y'all reach as far. Hopefully, I subscribe already. You know what I'm saying? Please.
We hope so.
Subscribe. Get us that five band. You know.
You guys are doing great so far. Don't stop now. You guys are doing awesome.
Real great. I appreciate that.
Where you want to sit now?
Chicken foot, nice.
Chicken foot is hard to eat and talk because there's a lot of, you know, moving your mouth.
I'm not gonna lie, you put the right amount of pepper in it.
Thank you.
Yeah, see, family, I haven't been putting pepper on my food in a long time now. You don't see that?
That's true.
They're not watching. I thought they was. I haven't been putting pepper on my food in a long time now.
That's true. Why?
Cut off 5 pepper now.
Really?
I haven't, family. No? I just eat it just the way I get it now. That salad was busting.
What you put on your Thousand Island?
Thousand Island.
That's it?
Yeah. It's good.
Let us know in the comment section where you guys went for Mother's Day.
Yeah. Let us know. Now, how was your day?
I know Mother's Day have been, you know, a few days away. No, a few days ago, but we're still nosy.
Let us know. Okay.
So we're recording this video, okay, guys? I don't know what Richie gonna get me. So, but I'll tell you the next video. Red Tom? What you getting me?
I get that one thing, man, you too spoiled my youth. No, I get nothing my youth. I'm too spoiled.
Water's so good. You have to eat that.
Oh.
Honey, you ever brown stewed it before?
That burns you like that freaking bite of your finger, them.
You need to make it for me one day.
Brown stew it?
Yeah. I want Richie to brown stew the chicken foot one day for me.
Nice, man.
Let me tell you something. It's hard for me. If I'm cooking it, it's hard to brown stew it because I have to curry it.
Right.
I don't know. I just love curry.
Wow. Gosh, that's chicken foot. Look at. I know she show you again, but I'm gonna show you again.
Go show it again.
I'm gonna show you again. Look at that. See that? All right.
And then the juice is in the bone.
Didn't know that.
That's the reason why we chew the bone.
Okay, that's one of the bone. That's one. Yes, and those bones, they will juke you in your mouth. Gotta chew it right.
Gotta chew it right. But it's so juicy. So it's worth it. Right, Tom?
Yeah, man. I'm not name that ginger that.
Oh, Lord.
You know what I'm for chicken foot? It's the next chicken foot you're talking. I know you love chicken foot. I gotta beat you to them because you look like you want your mouth before me. Probably she's moving faster than chicken foot, them, you know? Yeah? If you look at her side, there's a lot of chicken foot on her side. Yeah? So what? I'm counting it, so what?
But you count food all the time.
Exactly. If you know me, I count the food.
All the time.
Food gotta be even.
What?
I know she got a small mouth, she's not eating it up, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that was delicious.
Food gotta be even. If it was even, Tom, you would still be hungry.
You know, she got good curry this way, you see, but napkin, you know? Don't keep curry, man. Nobody keep curry warrior. Real courteous family.
When you're eating curry or eating something a little bit spicy, it's always good to have like a little salad.
This curry comes straight from Jamaica, family.
Because it freshens your palate. Ooh, excuse me.
Wow. That was good. Wow.
You know why I'm laughing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you. Any napkin, honey?
No more.
Okay. You saw the comments in the video with the seafood, with the sausage. Everybody said the way I was eating that corn.
Yeah, I seen it. What are they talking about?
I don't know. I guess I don't know. But when I went back, I said, oh.
Oh, it comes in your mouth? You're fresh. And how I didn't catch on to that. That's why everybody's saying it's the corn for me at the end.
Yeah. Who said that?
Okay.
Who said that?
I gotta go see back. I gotta see why she was eating that corn.
Who said that?
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
That means that's how she was eating the corn like that? How I missed that? Oh, wow.
The corn was good. I missed it and I was doing it. I had to go back and rewatch it. I said, oh, shiggity. I see what they're talking about.
All right.
Your mind is in the gutter.
You need to practice the same thing I do with the corn, man. You practice my young.
That's what we get to.
Family, because I was lost. Now I'm going to watch the video now, family.
Oh, yeah, he don't watch it.
I'm definitely going to watch it now. See what's going on. You know, sometimes you do some stuff in the video, don't even pay attention.
Yeah.
That was good, though.
Well, no.
Okay.
I was enjoying my corn.
Yeah.
Everybody said, oh no, first lady with that corn. I said, Then somebody else said it. I said, wait a minute. Let me go check this video out again. And I said, wow.
Going crazy. Alright, family. What I got for y'all today? It's going to be a little long one, so I'm only say it once, okay? Firstly, listen. Family members and the viewers. Now the viewers gonna be family members. I appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
Rocking with the team. Okay. You need to learn how to select your thoughts just the same way you select your clothes every day. This is a power you can cultivate. If you want to control things in your life so bad, work on the mind. That's the only thing you should be trying to control. So, it's long. I'm not going to say
Long,
it again.
it's good.
Long and it's good.
Sometimes all you need is just once. Get it.
Get it and go. So we appreciate y'all. Again, thank you for the new family member that subscribed.
Yep.
Welcome to the family, you know. We're all one family here, you know what I mean?
Yep.
If you're new, I am Richie. And this is Shanice, a.k.a. First Lady. And they are...
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Wait.